Hello and welcome to Rupee Rakshak's weekly market update. Let's try to understand how the market moved this week. So Sumant, could you quickly run us through the levels that we should keep an eye on for the upcoming weeks?
Sure, Vijesh.
So let us look at how Indian market has performed this week and what is the view for the next week. So let us look at the absolute performance of the four major indices. So Nifty this week has done negative minus 0.53%. Bank Nifty is though in terms of absolute return it is 0.44% positive, but the week as far as the week is concerned, it has closed negative, but technically it has closed above its previous week's low, so thus it is 0.44%. Whereas mid cap, we have seen good weakness in mid cap sector. Mid cap has done minus 1.85%, and small cap is down by minus 3.51%. So small cap has been the most affected index in terms of absolute returns. So, if we look at the or we anticipate the major reasons for the corrections, it is mainly by subdued corporate earnings and lackluster global cues, and the downtrend was further accelerated by the elevated large cap valuations and making them vulnerable for profit booking. Persistent FII short positions reflecting a weak foreign investor sentiment. This month, in the month of July, FII has already sold more than 28,000 crore. The DII flow has been slightly muted due to strong domestic buying in the previous month. This month, DII has not bought as much as compared to the previous month. So that could be another major reason. And overall, if we look at the global cues, there are the investor confidence are quite fragile at this moment due to uncertainties in US-India trade negotiations and the European Central Bank's wait and watch approach on rate cuts. Sectorally, Nifty oil gas led the decline with a 2%, followed by Nifty metal and PSU bank, which fell about 1.7% each. Nifty IT also slipped 1.4%, while Nifty auto shed around 1.3%. Nifty FMCG, private bank, and realty indices also ended lower by 1% each, whereas Nifty Pharma is the only sector which is a gainer, rising about 0.5% amid this broader market weakness. So, if we look at the technical levels for the next week, so as far as the 24,800 is concerned, last week we mentioned that this could be the major support. So we are seeing Nifty already hitting that level. So Nifty is at currently trading at 24,837. So the next 24,700 major support, and the subsequent support could be at 24,500. And on the upside, resistance could be 25,000 level. So if we look at the option chain quickly on Nifty 30th July expiry, so we see that 24,700 is major support, whereas the 25,000 is the major resistance. So we see the same reflection in the chart as well. So for the next week, Nifty is expected to trade between 24,700 and 25,000 level. So that's all for the current week analysis.
So that's it for today. We'll be back next week with more news and more analysis. Till then, take good care of yourself and happy investing. Thank you.